A very good morning to all the students. Welcome back to maths class. Children, last class we had solved practice set. Now this is the continuation. Just pay attention. We have already done these sums. We are just going to revise everything so that it drills into your mind. Question 3. Find the LCM 36, 42. Now you can see how they have factorized 36 and 42. 2 18s are 36, 2 21s are 42, 2 9s are 18, 21 is taken down, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 7 is taken down as it is, 7 1s are. So now the LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 252. Now we'll find the LCM for 3 set of numbers. We have already done this, just a revision. 15, 25, 30. Now 2, 15, they do not have a common factor in them, with 25 also, but 30 is divisible by 2. So 15 carry down as it is, 25 carry down as it is, 2 15s are 30. Now 15, it will be divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 25 take it down as it is, again 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is present, so 5 1s are, 5 1s are, and 5 5s are 25. Again 5 1s are. So now the LCM is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So the LCM of 15, 25 and 30 is 150. Question number 3. Find the LCM for 18, 42, 48. We'll see how we are doing it. Now 2 9s are 18, 2 21s are 42, 2 24s are 48. Now 9 and 21 are not divisible by 2, but 24 is. So we will carry forward down 9 and 21, 2 12s are 24. Again 9 21 are not divisible by 2, 2 12s are, 2 6 are 12. Again 2, 9 and 21 is taken down, 6, 2 3s are 6. Now you can see here 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3, 7 carried down, 7 1s are 7. So LCM now is all the 2's. 4 times 2 multiplied by 3 2 times into 7, which is equal to 1008. Same with these 3 set of numbers, 4, 12, 20. We begin with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 10s are 20. Then 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 5s are 10. 3 1s are, 5 take it down, 5 1s are. So now the LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 60. Now we are going to find the LCM for 4 set of numbers. We begin with 2. The numbers are 24, 40, 80, 120. All the 4 numbers are divisible by 2, so we begin with 2. 2 12s are 24, 2 20s are 40, 2 40s are 80, 2 60s are 120. Again, the next line we have 12, 20, 40, 60. Divisible by 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 10s are 20, 2 20s are 40, 2 30s are 60. Again, 6, 10, 20, 30. Divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 10s are 20, 2 15s are 30. Now, again one more 2. Now the number is 3, 5, 10, 15. So 2 5s are 10. Rest all the numbers we will take it down, 3, 5, 15. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. And in the end you have 5, 5, 5. So 5 1s are 5. Now the LCM is 2 multiplied 4 times multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 240. Question number 4. find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. I had shown you in the solved example. Let's revise it one more time. You can see the numbers are 8, 9, 10, 15, 120. We begin with 2. 2 4s are 8. 9 is not divisible by 2. We take down 9. 2 5s are 10. 15 is not divisible by 2. So 15 will be down. Now 20. 2 10s are 20. Now we have the numbers as 4, 9, 5, 15, 10. Again we'll begin with 2. 2 2s are 4. 9, 5 and 15 will be taken down and 2 5s are 10. Then we'll take 3. 2 cannot be divisible by 3. We will take it down. 3 3s are 9. 5 is taken down. 3 5s are 15. Again 5 is written down. Now 4. Now you can, over here you can write 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 is taken down. 5 is taken down. All the 5s are taken down. 3 1s are 3. Again the 5s are taken down and 5 1s are 5. So now when you take the LCM, you will get the LCM as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So the LCM is 360. But in the sum it is given that the remainder is 5. So the number will be LCM plus the remainder. That is 360 plus 5 is equal to 365. Question number 5. Reduce the fractions. First one, 384 upon 319. Now we will remove the common factors by factorization. We have seen that the common factors are 29. Children, you will remove the prime factors of 384 and 319 in your rough column and you will get the common factor as 29. So when you divide it by 29, the numerator as well as denominator, you will get the lowest reduced fraction as 12 upon 11. Second fraction, 221 upon 247. You will factorize it. When you factorize, you will get the common factor. So 221 divided by 13. Since we are dividing it by numerator, same will be divided in the denominator and the reduced fraction is 17 upon 19. 437 upon 551. Again we will remove the common factors. 19 is common. 19 is divided in the numerator as well as denominator and the reduced fraction is 23 upon 29. Question number 6. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. If one of the number is 216, what is the other? Okay, it's a word problem. Let the other number be x. We have to find the other number. So let the other number be x. We have seen earlier that HCF, product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Now it is given that LCM and HCF are 432 and 72. So 72 multiplied by 432 and the product of two numbers, that is x into 216. Why x? Because we don't know what is the other number. 72 into 432 multiplied by x is equal to x into 216. If we need only x, multiplied 216 will go to the other side of the equal to and become division. So x is equal to 144. The other number is 144. Children, you will do the cancellations with the pencil, remove the common factor and try to get the answer as 144. Question number 7. The product of two-digit number is 765 and their HCF is 3. What is their LCM? As we know, HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. The product of two numbers is already given, that is 765. HCF is given as 3. You need to find the LCM. So 3 multiplied by LCM is equal to 765. Multiplied when it comes to this side of the equal to sign, the other side, it will become divide since it is multiplied on the other side. So now 765 upon 3 is equal to 255. So the LCM is 255. Question number 8. A trader has 3 bundles of strings, 392 meter, 308 meter and 490 meter long. What is the greatest length of the string that the bundles can be cut up into without any leftover string? Now here is the use of HCF. 392, 308, 490. We will factorize them. We start with 2. 196 is going to give you 392. 154 is going to give you 308. 245 is going to give you 490. Now the next line we have 196, 154, 245. Here 7 is the common factor. 728s are 196. 722s are 154. 735s are 245. 28, 22, 35. Now nothing is common. So the HCF is 2 into 7, which is equal to 14. The greatest length of each piece of the string is 14 meter. Question number 9. Which two consecutive even numbers have an LCM of 180? Consecutive meaning continuous. The LCM of two consecutive even numbers is 180. Even all those numbers which are divisible by 2. Now we had seen earlier that HCF of two consecutive even number is always 2. So, and we know that the product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Now 180 is the LCM and HCF of such two consecutive even number is 2. So 2 into 180 is equal to 360. So the product of the two numbers is 360. We have to find two factors of 360 whose difference is 2. Now 360 into 10, 18 into 20, 9 into 40, 4 into 90. All these are factors of 360. But those factors whose difference should be 2. Of these, such factors are 18 and 20. They are also consecutive even numbers. After 18, the next consecutive even number is 20. So the required consecutive even number is 18 and 20. Be safe and stay at home. Thank you.